Hello everyone, today I have a review for you guys that I think a lot of you are going to be interested in. These are the custom fit Kagu floor mats and cargo liner from 3D Mats USA for my EV6. They're supposed to be pretty awesome, so let's check them out. Now quick background, they do laser scanning and 3D modeling to ensure a perfect fit, and the materials they use, they're supposed to be good quality, comfortable but still strong, and they have an anti-skid Max Piter material, which is nice. And they're lightweight, easy to clean, which comes in handy, so I'm excited to get them installed. Now looking at the factory floor mats for the EV6, they aren't bad, but if something spills, it goes directly into the carpet, which obviously isn't ideal, especially if you have kids, you know that's going to happen. They also aren't the easiest to clean since carpet tends to hold on the grass and dirt, so I'm excited to swap them out for some new custom fit all-weather floor mats. Now taking them out of the packaging, you can see they are formed to fit the EV6. They are very lightweight. They have this really cool texture too, which looks good. The material is nice and soft, which will feel good under your feet. Comparing the driver's side to the factory carpeted mat, you can see it offers more coverage, including the dead pedal area, which is good. It also has those raised sides, which is great in case there is a spill. So let's get it installed and check the fit. Alright, so I got it installed, and this fits perfectly. It fits directly into the factory floor mat clips, and everything just fits great under here. I'm really excited. One thing I do want to mention as well, because I know some people have pointed out that the rear of the floor mat isn't raised all the way across. They do this because the seat has to be able to move forward over the mat in those areas. It's raised most of the way across though, and the floorboard is angled down slightly towards the pedals, so I'm not too worried about it. Now looking at the passenger side, it's pretty similar. You can see it should cover well, and it has the same raised edges. They also have a piece for the spot in front of the center console between the floor mats, which is nice. So let's get this side installed. Now looking at the passenger side, you can see it's very similar to the driver's side. Everything fits perfect in here and looks good. The piece in the center fits well and tucks up under the driver and passenger side mats nicely. But yeah, I'm very pleased with the front. Now let's check out the rear. So comparing the rear, you can see both are one piece, which is good. The new one has the raised edges all the way around, which is really nice, especially with having kids in the back. And yeah, it looks really good, so let's get this one installed. And just like the front, it fits perfectly. It fits nicely into those factory clips and fits around everything exactly as I would want. It goes under the seats nicely and fits precisely around all the brackets and moldings, and it's just perfect. Now taking a look at the cargo liner, this also fits in here nicely. My EV6 didn't come with a cargo liner, so this is definitely a good upgrade. Like the floor mats, it's lightweight, it's easy to clean. It also has that material on the back that holds it in place. It has the ridges on it as well, which is good. If you have anything in the hatch, it keeps it from sliding around. But yeah, looks good, and like the rest of everything, it fits perfect. So overall, I'm very pleased. Everything looks good, fits perfectly. I'm really excited. I'm glad I got them. If you want to get them, I'll post links in the description for the floor mats and the cargo liner. They're very reasonably priced, but they're also offering a promo code for you guys to save $10 when ordering. The promo code is TechJeff, so be sure to save that to save a little bit on your order. They had been out of stock, but they just got more in, so they should be up to order soon if they're not already. I know they do sell out fairly quickly, so if you are wanting some, I probably wouldn't wait very long. But anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments section. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you guys out. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.